And you've made the right decision by clicking on this video. Welcome back to this channel, guys. How are you? In today's method, I will be teaching you how to earn $5 to $7 within seconds. That's right, just within seconds of work. And you don't need any skills or prior experience to do this. You don't even need to invest anything at all. This strategy is also available worldwide, so I know you will love this. As always, you know that I'll be walking you through all the steps in this method in order for us to do this the right way. So I want you to stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Make Money, where I teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Alrighty, so now this is the website which we will be using today. As you can see here, make your video go viral. Their platform is simple and easy to use. They put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. You can get big results with even the smallest budget. This website basically deals with videos and their popularity. So people who struggle with views, with subscribers, or with watch time go to this website right here and ask for help, since this website will help them gain more of that. Okay, now if you're doubting this website, I want you to scroll down here a bit and you can see that this website has a 4.9 star rating of 607 reviews, and this website is partnered with a lot of big brands, as you can see right here. And if you want to learn more about the reviews, you can go over to Trustpilot.com and see right here that Sprizy has a 4.6 Trustpilot rating, and that is already big. A lot of people, as you can see right here below, recommend this for views. Their views have increased, as you can see right here. So these people have gained more views with Sprizy.com. At this part of the video, I think you might be wondering or you might be worrying if you have to create a video and use Sprizy to gain and increase your views. Well, we're not gonna do that, so don't worry, okay? Remember that in the first part of this video, I told you that we won't be spending anything at all. And I am sticking to that because we really won't be spending. Okay, so if we use this website, we need to know how this works, right? So, how does Sprizy help people gain or increase their views? You can see right here how they roll your YouTube video and channel fast. First, they have to tell them who should see their video. So what is their video about? Is it a gaming video? Is it a fashion video? Is it about food? Is it about travel? And so on. So this channel or Sprizy has to know the niche or the genre of the video which is going to be promoted. Now the next step, Sprizy will get the attention of the users. So through YouTube ads, they will promote your video on YouTube to users searching for your keywords and to the fans of similar channels. So they will target the audience right here. And third, get views, subscribers, and real engagement. The viewers targeted in the promotion will naturally find your video interesting and can like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Okay, so if we scroll down here below, you can see who's working with Sprizy right now. And these people are getting a lot of views through Sprizy. Now, I'd love to tell you more about this website, but I want to save time and I want to get to the next part of this video. So if you want to learn more, you can just go over to this website right here and just browse the homepage. If you like the video so far, go ahead and smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's proceed to the next step. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna scroll to the very bottom of this page and you can see right here affiliate program, just between contact us and privacy policy. So we have to click on that and we'll be redirected to this page right here where we can sign up as a Sprizy affiliate partner. That's right, we're going to be an affiliate partner with this website. So to do that, we'll have to sign up here with your first name, your last name, enter your email address, and make sure it's a valid email address because they'll send you a verification to confirm it. Then create a password right here, and then tick this I'm not a robot box, and also tick this I agree to the terms of service of this website if ever you agree to the terms of service. And after that, click on sign up now. So after you've created an account, after you logged in, you will then get your affiliate link. Okay, let me just tell you that Spreezy is a really great website and this really helped a lot of YouTubers out there. But the only downside is that we only get 20% commission from this. But you don't have to worry because there are a lot of YouTubers all over the world. There are millions and millions of YouTubers who need help in promoting their video to gain likes, to gain subscribers, and to gain more views. So now what we're gonna do next is we have to persuade these people, these YouTube channels, to subscribe to Spreezy's service. In order to do that, we have to create a guide for them on how to grow their YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is go over to docs.google.com and we have to create a new blank document right here. Now if you're here on this page here in Google Docs, click on this blank page right here. So if you click on that, of course you'll be redirected to a new blank page. But let me just show you here the one that I've created. So this one right here is a guide on how to grow your YouTube channel, views, likes, and subscribers. As you can see, I've enumerated here how to do that. There are 4 steps. And then right here on the last step, promote your video. Check out this website. I added some words right here and then I added this, insert affiliate link here. So the one that we got from Spreezy.com, our Spreezy affiliate link, we're gonna add it here. Now you don't need to worry about how to create this article. All you have to do is go over to google.com and search for how to grow your channel. There are tons of results here. There are thousands of results. And what I want you to do is click on one of them. So I clicked on this one right here and I was redirected to this page where I can see 10 ways to grow your YouTube channel. Basically, I just copied these words right here and I pasted them on the Google Docs. So that's what you need to do. You don't need to copy the whole thing, but you can get an inspiration of what you're gonna put in there. So you can actually search for a lot of different results and from what you think is the best, then you can use that and put it in your guide. So right now what you're gonna do next is we need the link of this Google document. So click on share right here. And then right here, get link, you need to click on this with change to anyone with the link. Now that it's changed, you can then copy the link right here. Alright, now before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to go to the comment section right now and leave a comment down below where you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will work in your country. So now let's go back to the video. For the next step, I want you guys to go over to a website or a social media website where we can drive traffic to our link. So for today's video, I have chosen Facebook.com because there are millions of people who go online on Facebook. And what I like about this is that there are a lot of groups. And in these groups, you can communicate with a lot of people as well. Now, when you're on Facebook already, what you'll need to do is go over here on the search bar and search for YouTube channel growth. Make sure you filter it to groups right here. And then you'll see here a lot of different groups where people help each other to grow their channels. Next thing you'll have to do is join these groups by clicking on this button right here. And then make sure you join a lot of different groups. So if you've joined a lot of different groups, what you're gonna do next is you'll have to post something, right? So you have to say along the lines of, hey guys, I'll be giving a free guide to the first 50 people who will like this post and comment done. After you do that, I will be sending you a link of the guide. Actually, you can say to the first 50 people or to the first 100 people or to the first 150 people, 200 people, whatever you want. And then whenever someone comments, all you have to do is just send them your Google Docs link, the one that we have created, the guide that you have created. Now you can do a different way or a different method, which is sending people one by one a message, and that is a little bit more time consuming rather, but it is more effective and you can earn more with that. But that all depends on you. Again, you can post or you can send them a message one by one individually. You can also go to different social media platforms and post that same thing. You can also go to forums online like Quora or other different forums. Utilize social media, utilize the internet to do this. Again, there are millions and millions of YouTube channels all over the world right now that is up and running and needs help and needs support from a website like Spreezy. And that's it! If you learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. And as always, if you have comments or suggestions or if you have questions, just go to the comment section below and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!